In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a little box of fire starters from the company Jealous Devil. These are called the Boom Fire Starters, and they're great for grills, fireplace, and camping. Or like me, I have a fire pit back here, and I just need a way to kind of get it started. And I want something like a quick little fire starter to open up this box. So there's a little piece of tape right there. You just take that tape off, and to open them, watch this, everybody. This is cool. Look at how it just opens up like a little drawer. So the box is actually a little holding thing, and you can see the shape of each one of these. It looks really cool, and it's got the wick on these things is like a wax top wick that holds the flame really good. So even if it's like very windy or kind of rainy and wet out, these things still work. And this material right here looks kind of like roots or something, but watch how it works. So I just got a standard lighter here. Once you get this part lit, watch this. All you do, so unlike like a lot of fire starters, you have to light a pack of it, but check that out. See that? They're pretty strong as far as like, watch that. I like that. Let's go ahead. I got my fire pit over here. Let's go ahead and throw one in the fire pit. It's getting going here. I have a little bit. Let's put that right up under there. And I'll show you how this thing burns. Now watch what it's going to do. It's going to actually ignite the back part right there, and then it'll go ahead and start running. It emits 12-inch high flame, water resistant, clean and odorless, 100% organic. This is made out of coconut fiber and burns for 20 minutes. So basically it's a coconut husk fiber, and it's got like a wax built in, so it'll go for like 20 minutes. So I threw a little grass on there and a little bit of leaves, and it's going really well, everybody. This is something I recommend for anyone that just needs a quick fire starter, you know, whether it's the grill, fireplace, or if you're camping or something like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Boom Fire Starters. See you all in the next video.